So the best showing on screen has been comprised of booleans. If we press Control tilde, just looking at the modifier stack shows that this is built up out of booleans with a couple of mirrors at the top and bottom. However, whenever it comes to grabbing specific booleans, this is where Everscroll comes in. If we hover over it, we can see with the tooltip that just clicking it with left mouse click allows us to scroll through and select particular booleans. We can even press A to append them to our selection and scroll for additional ones in case we want to enable the visibility of multiple booleans all at the same time in order for us to get in and adjust the mesh. In fact, once we click at the end, we are left with our selection to get in and get messing with our booleans. However, additional functionality has been added to the .ui, which means that if we were to go inside of Boolscroll again, we can now press tab, and by control clicking on a particular modifier, you can now change the algorithm that's being used for that particular solver. So in the event that you have to do troubleshooting as far as which algorithm is being used for fast and exact for your booleans, you're now able to do that on the fast. In addition to being able to do it in modifier scroll, you can now do it inside of Boolean scroll.